What are the drawbacks of new car replacement? What are the drawbacks of new car replacement coverage? This optional auto insurance add-on can seem appealing, especially for new car owners. However, it comes with some important considerations. First, let's talk about increased premium costs. When you add new car replacement coverage, you can expect your insurance premium to rise by about 5% to 13%. This means you will pay more each month or year for this extra protection. For some drivers, this added cost may not be worth it, especially if they have older vehicles. Next, there are eligibility restrictions. Not all vehicles qualify for this coverage. Insurance companies usually requiring the car to be within a certain age limit, often just a few years old, and there may be mileage limits as well. Additionally, you typically need to be the original owner of the vehicle and have both comprehensive and collision coverage to add this option. Another drawback is limited availability. Not every insurance company offers new car replacement coverage, and it may not be available in all states. This can make it harder to find the right policy that meets your needs. Even with this coverage, you still have to pay a deductible when you file a claim. This means you will have out-of-pocket expenses before the insurance company covers the replacement cost. It's important to factor this into your budget. You might also end up overpaying for coverage that exceeds the actual market value of your car as it ages. Since new car replacement pays for a brand new vehicle rather than the depreciated value, this can be less economical if you plan to keep your car for many years. Lastly, some policies may not cover all costs associated with replacing your vehicle. There could be limits or exclusions that affect the replacement process, such as not covering upgrades, taxes, or fees related to purchasing a new vehicle. Always review your policy details carefully to know what is and isn't covered. In practical terms, new car replacement coverage is most beneficial for owners of new vehicles who want to avoid the financial hit from rapid depreciation in the first years of ownership. However, the higher premiums, eligibility constraints, and the fact that you still pay a deductible are important considerations. For some drivers, especially those with older cars or tighter budgets, the extra cost may not justify the benefits.